Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iFactioners learning video tutorial. In today's learning video tutorial, we are going to learn how do we pronounce different days in Dutch.
Yeah.
We have Mr. Expert with us, who is a native Dutch speaker, and he will be teaching us how do we call different days in Dutch. Welcome.
What is native?
Okay. So, Mr. Expert, what do we call Monday in Dutch? Maandag. M-A-N-D-A-A-G.
You made us there. Look, it's actually double A in the start and Monday at the end.
So it's Maandag.
Yeah.
Is it Mandag or Maandag? Maandag. Monday is Maandag in Dutch. Okay. Tuesday. Tuesday is
Dinsdag.
Dinsdag.
Yeah, like that.
So it's Dinsdag.
Yep, Dinsdag.
Is dag or is it dag? Dinsdag? In the middle?
It really matters like how you want to speak it.
Okay.
Dinsdag is what I say.
Thanks. And Wednesday is
Wednesday is Woensdag.
Woens.
Yep,
Dag.
Woensdag.
So we pronounce G, G as G. So it's
Yes.
Woensdag. Dag.
Dag.
Thank you. It is not Woensdag. It's Woensdag.
Yeah.
Maandag. Dinsdag. Right? Thank you. Okay, now what do we call Thursday in Dutch?
Thursday. Thursday in Dutch is donderdag.
Donderdag. Is it donderdag or donderdag? Okay, donderdag. Thank you. Next, we have Friday
Vrijdag.
with V.
Yep.
So I and J is pronounced as I.
Yeah.
Fry. So it's not Vrijdag, it's Vrijdag.
Yep.
Thank you.
That.
Next, we have Saturday.
Zaterdag.
Saturdag.
Yeah, they're very
It's
similar.
easy. Saturday is Zaterdag. Okay. And the last one is Sunday.
Zondag.
Zondag.
Yep.
Sun. Oh, sun is zon in Dutch.
Yep.
That's why Sunday is Zondag. Okay, let's repeat. I will say in English and you will say in Dutch. Monday,
Maandag.
Tuesday,
Dinsdag.
Wednesday,
Woensdag.
Thursday,
Donderdag.
Friday,
Vrijdag.
Saturday, and Sunday. Zondag. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining us. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel if you are not already subscribed. Yeah. Take care. Bye bye.